All right, let's get right into it. When you're working on your car, you expect every single part to do its job, right? You're trusting it to keep you safe and your vehicle running just the way it should. But there's this huge, hidden world of counterfeit parts that do the exact opposite. So today, we're going to give you a full safety guide for 2025 on how to spot these fake Toyota parts before they can cause some really serious damage. And if you think this is, just some minor issue about quality, think again. I really want you to let this sink in. Investigators literally opened up a counterfeit airbag, and what did they find inside? A rag. A rag covered in putty. Not a life-saving device, a piece of cloth. That's the gamble you're taking. This isn't about saving a few bucks on performance anymore. This is, no joke, a matter of life and death. So let's talk about the real cost of these fakes, because believe me, it has very little to do with the price tag. We're talking about a cost that you measure in busted vehicles, and more importantly, in your personal safety. To get a sense of just how big this problem is, look at this number: $10 million. That's how much counterfeit car parts U.S. authorities seized in just one fiscal year. This is a massive global industry that's built on nothing but deception, and it's putting millions of us drivers at risk every single day. So what are the actual dangers here? Well, first off, your most critical safety systems, your airbags, your brakes, they basically become a lottery. You wouldn't believe it, but fake brake pads are sometimes made from compressed grass or wood chips. They can literally fall apart when you need them most. And then there's the domino effect, right? These garbage parts cause extra wear and tear on everything around them, which leads to massive repair bills later on. And if something does go wrong, don't even think about a warranty, because it's not there. All of this can lead to a catastrophic failure at 70 miles per hour. And to top it all off, these things are often made in factories that could not care less about the environment. Okay, so how do you actually protect yourself from all this? Well, your detective work starts before you even crack open the box. See, the counterfeiters, they might spend their time trying to make the part look okay, but they often get super lazy with the packaging. And that is your first line of defense. Let's zoom in on the little things, because this is where the fakes really start to show their true colors. Take a look at the real Toyota logo on the left. It's clean, the lines are precise, everything is perfect. Now look at the fake on the right. See how the shape is just a little off? The thickness of the letters isn't consistent. It's subtle for sure, but once you know what to look for, it's a dead giveaway. And here's another spot where they cut corners: the part number label. The genuine one on the left, the printing is totally crisp and professional. The fake, though, the font is usually wrong, the text can be smudged, and you might even find spelling mistakes. You have to remember, a company like Toyota is obsessed with quality, and that includes their packaging. And here it is, the golden rule. You've heard it a million times. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Genuine Toyota parts have a standard price for a reason. So if you find somebody selling, say, 4 spark plugs for less than the price of one real one, that's a massive red flag. They lure you in with a bargain, but as we've already seen, the real cost is so much higher. Okay, so you've checked out the box, and maybe it looks pretty convincing. What now? Well, now it's time to actually get your hands on the part itself. This is where the fakes just completely fall apart, because they can't replicate the quality of the real materials and manufacturing. No way. Just look at these 2 oil filters. On the left, you've got the real deal. You can see right through the middle that the filter material is dense, it's properly made. But on the right, the counterfeit, it's just a mess of cheap paper. I've literally seen videos of people crushing these fakes in one hand. It's not going to filter a thing, and it's probably going to disintegrate inside your engine. And this difference in quality is clear even on tiny little parts, like this distributor contact point. The genuine one on the left has that specific sheen on the contact surface. That's the mark of quality materials. The fake one on the right, it's just dull, it looks unfinished. And it's these little details that make a huge difference in how your engine runs. So the most important thing is to just use your senses. Pick up the part. Does it feel way too light? A real brake pad has some heft to it, but a fake one feels flimsy. Check for sharp, unfinished edges on metal bits like washers. Look at the printing on the part itself. Is it already fading or crooked? If it feels cheap in your hands, it's because it is. Trust your gut on this. Now, these counterfeiters are definitely getting smarter, but guess what? So is Toyota. The company is actively fighting back with some cool new tech to help all of us make sure our parts are the real deal. Let's check out what's coming our way in 2025. Here's your simple 3-step checklist for 2025. First, you're going to scan the QR code on the box with Toyota's official app. It'll instantly check that parts code against their database. Super easy. Second, look for the new holographic security labels. When you tilt the box, they should shift colors and patterns. And third, for the ultimate proof, ask your supplier about parts with nano-printed serial numbers. You can only see these under a UV light, so they're pretty much impossible to fake. So knowing how to spot a fake, that's half the battle. The other half is just knowing where to buy genuine parts in the first place. Honestly, the best way to do this is to just go to the authorized dealers in your area. For our viewers in the UAE, for example, here's a quick guide to trusted sources. And you can use the same kind of logic to find the right suppliers wherever you live.
Your safest bet always is going to be an authorized dealer like Alpha Time Motors, especially if your car is still under warranty. Now, if your car is out of warranty, a supplier like Denso is a fantastic option. They actually make a lot of Toyota's original parts anyway. You've also got specialists for industrial gear, and of course, you can always order directly from Toyota's website and have the real parts shipped right from a local dealer.
So when you boil it all down, it really just comes to this one question. Yeah, that knockoff part might seem like a great deal, and it might save you a few dirhams today. But after everything we've just talked about, from airbags stuffed with rags to brake pads made of wood chips, is saving that little bit of cash today really worth risking your car and maybe even your life tomorrow?